टोटल फुटबॉल खेल रही थी बारसा। लाइक दे वर क्रिएटिंग मैनी चांसेस, दे वर डोमिनेटिंग पोजेशन, they were just making athletic club look weak. New signings, they did well too. Pedri, the creator, the orchestrator of Barcelona, he was fantastic. Rafinha, full of energy. So I think overall the defense, the midfield, the attack, they did their job and they were really good. One thing is concerning, वो हमें पता है कि it is Lamine Yamal's form. Lamine Yamal after the World Cup, after the injury जो उसको सीजन के एंड में हुई थी, he has not been at that level. He knows it. I think he needs time, or I don't know what it is going on, but he still needs to get that form back. मैं देख रहा था लमीन यमाल, तो वो शार्पनेस मुझे नहीं दिखी उसमें. He was missing some chances. He was not at that edge, cutting edge performance जो कहते हैं हमें लमीन यमाल से. We expect every time he steps onto pitch. वो नहीं मिली. So this is concerning somewhat for Barcelona. Although I would say maybe the time it will heal. Maybe fatigue हो सकता है वर्ल्ड कप का. He was playing that World Cup not at 100% capacity. So we will see in the coming few weeks Lamine Yamal, will he be back to his best? वो देखेंगे. But overall Barca, they performed really well, and their subs too, they feel like now a proper squad. वो नहीं हम बोल सकते कि हाँ they miss some players in key departments. Although number 9 missing है, that is a concern. अगर आप midfield और attack के departments देखो तो I think there are very very few teams that match Barca. Although I think in La Liga, number 9, अगर आप physical ना रखो, I think it can work. But in the UCL games, this might be somewhat of an issue. I would say कि 80% La Liga games में you will not have any difficulties playing with Rafinha, Gordon, number 9. But in some games there might be difficulties. तो उसमें देखते हैं कैसे manage करता है. Maybe they sign a striker in the few days left in the window. ये इनकी मिडफील्ड को, इनकी टीम को एलिवेट करेगा एक अलग लेवल पे. बारसा विदाउट हिम, they control the game so well, but with him this goes to another level. जो ये कंट्रोल, ये डोमिनेशन जो होगी बारसा की मिडफील्ड बैटल में, पोजेशन गेम में, that will be something to watch. I still think that they will get about 80 plus possession. They will create so many chances with this guy in the midfield. So that will be interesting to watch. Abhi full debut, we will see. But I promise you, this guy will change Barca and he will be the guy for them. If they get a number 9 in coming days, I think arguably this team can be better than PSG, no doubt about that. फिर बात करते हैं रियल मैड्रिड की. तो रियल मैड्रिड, they won 4-1 against Real Sociedad. फर्स्ट हाफ में देखें तो दिस गेम वाज क्लोज. आई थॉट कि ये फिर से एंड टू एंड सिचुएशन होगी, विल बी 1 or 2 गोल्स जो सेपरेट करेंगे इन टीम्स को. बट रियल मैड्रिड इन द सेकंड हाफ, they dominated. Like Mourinho ने क्या पेप टॉक दी थी मुझे नहीं पता, but they were really really better in the second half. Although Mbappe got the hat trick, technically उसे मिलना चाहिए मैन ऑफ द मैच, but I think for Real Madrid, this guy is their best player right now. Both games, I think he performed the best. He showed the character, he showed the class he has. काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि जूड ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, he can't turn, he can't dribble. I know he can't do at that level, वो उसका body type है. He's not that silky midfielder. He is more of a box crasher, whole player जिसे कह सकते हैं. So that role he perfects that. He was exceptional in both games. And Jose Mourinho, I think he likes these kind of players, the fighters. Jose loves these type of players. आप उतने बढ़िया नहीं हो technically, no problem. But you have to give your 100% every game. This is what manager likes. Then बात करें तो Real की defense, it was good. Midfield, it was decent. Attack, it was really good. Mbappe, he was looking sharp. Vinicius, he was looking sharp. Still, I would say कि they need a midfielder. I've been talking about this. आपको ये गेम में, I think it was more of some individual qualities and individual performances again. Jude, Mbappe, Vinicius, they played really, really well. तो दे नीड अ मिडफील्डर, दे नीड अ कंट्रोलर, बर्नार्डो सिल्वा ही कैन डू द जॉब बट उस लेवल पे वो नहीं कर सकता। आई मीन अगर आप ऐड करो रॉड्री इस टीम में देन लुक व्हाट दिस टीम कैन डू। आई वुड से कि बार्सा they did not needed Rodri that much that Real needed. Unfortunately for Real, he went to Barca and they have Bernardo Silva that is the lone ball carrying player. Valverde, he can do that job, but not that good, not that effective. वो रियाल को दिक्कत होगी इस चीज़ की इन द कमिंग डेज। मेन कंसर्न यही है बट आई थिंक जोजे ही इज़ अ बेटर कोच। ही नोज़ द वीकनेसेस, ही नोज़ हाउ टू प्ले, तो वो इफ़ेक्ट उतना नहीं होगा इस चीज़ का। बट इन मॉडर्न फुटबॉल द थिंग इज़ यू नीड द कंट्रोल, यू नीड द कंट्रोल ऑफ द गेम। अगर आपको टीम्स को तोड़ना है तो दैट विल बी टफ फॉर रियल। So that is a concern for them, and I would still favor कि Barca, I think they have wrapped the league. I don't think Real उनको उतनी दिक्कत देगी if the squad remains the same.